wave, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul. The California gold. Found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I move through the words, every time we say that, baby, it hurts.
Hi mga kamimi, good morning! And this vlog is about my gimbal. The story of my gimbal is this one. Sis Mags have a raffle and she bought a new, I think she bought or she have a sponsor with the new gimbal. So she decided that the old gimbal that she have, she give it away. Buy to her, what you call that, is a game, then raffle. If you comment that video there, if you comment the video there, you have chance to win. So I comment there. I always comment to the video of her because she helped me much. Sis Mugs is helping much. So I never thought that I will win this gimbal because I have my simple gimba, not not really expensive, but it's helping me a lot. So before I have planned to buy, and I said no because maybe there's something or something like that. Not now. So I joined that game. So I win this thing, this one. So when the raffle of Sis Mugs is it's close to my birthday, so I said only I hope not really what you call that I will win. So I said I hope I will win because it's my birthday. So what Sis Mug give it to me, what this one, I get this one, and she gave me a crackers also, and the seeds for the plants. I'm not planting yet, but maybe Sunday I will plant. So this is the gimbal. I don't know how to use it, but I need to be practice how to use this one because it's not really what you call that to me. So I open it already in the package of what you call that. She sent this one through LBC. So thank you so much, Sis Mugs, for always there. So this is the what you call that, the manual. So if I need something, I will look this manual, this one. So this is not sponsored by this gimbal, guys. This is I get this one to Sis Mags. So the one I win this one raffle. So raffle of Miss Max. So this is it. So this is the charger, something, the cord that you can charge. And this is it. So like that. First time I don't use it for now, but soon I will use it. So for this one, thank you so much, Smugs, and thank you so much, Lord, for give me a chance to win this kind of toy that I have. I really am not expecting, but it's God gift to me because it's my name show up there. So thank you so much, Miss Max. Thank you so much for gimbal, and I really like it. Then soon I need to be practicing how to use this one because It's not easy to use this one, and I need to practice it and how, but I know I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So, this is my gimbal, guys. This is not, I'm not buy this one. It's not, I get this one and raffle. So, I'm not, I'm proud and I'm thankful to Miss Mags. So, thank you so much, Miss Mags, for this one. And soon I will use it. Promise. Promise is Mags. No, no worry. Promise. That's I promise. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Miss Zaza Super Vlog, mga kameme. Say thank you and bye-bye. Bye, everyone. Mwah. Hi mga kameme, this is Florimi's Super Vlog. I would like to say thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you like it. And God bless you always, guys. No matter what happens in our life, just stay positive and productive. Take care and be safe. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you.